My name is Ethan, and my question is how to make ink. I wanted to make ink because I saw a biro in front of Miss Gonzalez table, and that is how I wanted to make ink. And this is the mango, and this is the other one, the flower and the grass. This was the first one that I made, the mango, and this was the flower, and this was the grass. I mashed it with the spoon, and I now put the water. This is the water. Then I finished mashing, and this is what it should look like. After I finish mashing, I will paint in this paper. This is what the mango will look like. The flower, I removed every leaf on the flower. This is what it will look like when you finish putting all the leaves out. Now I'll be tearing it with my hands. If you want to make the ink, you can do it in a different way. But if you want to use flour, you can use your hand or scissors. You have to put water. I've already mashed and I've already put water and I've mixed it. And this is what it will look like in the bottom. Then I will use it to paint. This is what the flower looks like. The grass, I will mash it and I will put water. And when I finish putting water, it will show a green water like this one. And this is what it will look like when I finish. And I will paint it. And this is what the grass will show. I learned that making ink is hard to make, and you must experiment that there are some of the things like the mango. It showed a little bit. The grass and the flower did not work so well. The mango worked, and the grass and the flower did not work. My hypothesis was correct. I had to use fruits, flowers, and grass. And I said that the mango will work, and the grass and flower will work. So my hypothesis was not correct because the grass and the flower did not work. That is what I learned. Bye bye.